What's up, guys? So, it's been a minute, but I started a new job. I work night shift now and all this other stuff. You know, life, you get what I'm saying? But first of all, we got two projects, one on the queue, and then we got this thing and this thing. They're not mine, but they're roommates, and he really wants to start this project, and I'm pushing him to do it. So, and he said, y'all can follow along, do whatever, you get what I'm saying? But the second project on the queue is I want to change the exhaust setup. So, let me flip this around. I got this little blast pipe bullshit, ISR. I mean, it's kind of nice, whatever. Needs some cleaning up. But I want to put this on the queue. And I already kind of got a head start. I cut one of the hangers off. I got to take this hanger off. And then, well, no, I got to keep that hanger, just bend it back. And then take this hanger, cut it, and then make it just like that one, just so it can fit on my car. And figure out, because I have a 2.5-inch inlet or outlet. And then I need, this is a 3-inch. So I got to figure out what I'm going to do there. But let me show y'all the queue. So I kind of got a head start. I haven't taken anything off the queue yet because I don't expect to finish it today. But I still got the Infinity stocks. And then I traded my big wheels for these Rays, whatever the fuck they are. They're cool looking. I like them. Still got that drift movement. At one point, I did have around like -14 in the rear, but I didn't like the way that it looked, so I just put it back to the way it was. You get what I'm saying? Other than that, it's been sitting. My bumper's falling off per usual. Whatever. But yeah, we got this thing going on. This is on hold for now. That's the E46 I showed y'all. But, alright, so, with what I got going on now, exhaust hanger. There's one on the opposite side, exhaust hanger. And looks like I scraped through this one already. Did I? No, it's still there. But, I gotta cut it somewhere around here. I kind of wanted it to come out at an angle, but it's not really looking like I'm gonna be able to do that. So I'm gonna cut it right about here and then get the hangers lined up and then go from there. All right, so I can't find my tripod. Supposedly it's down here, but it's not down here. Or I'm just blind and I can't see shit. I'm gonna just have to set y'all up and hopefully y'all be able to see. You get what I'm saying? So, just gonna have to figure that one out, I guess. So, let me set y'all up. I'm gonna cut the shit off and I'm gonna re-weld the hanger on the other side. I'm not the best welder, so don't expect some fucking perfect welds. Fucking, I'm gonna dookie the shit out of it. I don't give a fuck. As long as it holds, I don't care. It is what it is. So, let me set y'all up. Let me get this hanger cut off and we'll go from there. Alright, so I might get in the way a little bit, y'all. So bear with me. I mean, it's kind of close quarters combat, so I mean, you get what I'm saying. But, yeah. Remember, guys, always wear your at least ear protection and then safety squints. I didn't have any safety goggles, so it is what it is. So gotta at least have the goggles because that shit was loud. I got this flange cut off. I need to chop it maybe right here, and then we'll go from there. I'm gonna sand this down real quick, make this nice and shiny. And then
And I been off of these drugs, this shit got me too high. Ain't tripping on her, she fucking a new guy. Nah, I ain't tripping, I ain't tripping, I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping, I ain't tripping, I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping about no women, I'm only tripping about my chicken,
Alright, so it looks like it's about to start fucking raining. But I still want to at least mark our spot. So, we're going to get this down there real quick. Mark it. Maybe go ahead and chop the exhaust on this thing. And then see what we got. I just don't know where to sit, y'all. Fuck. I know it's a little dusty, but it is what it is, bro. It is what it is. Oh, where's my little marker? There it is. Okay, so this is where that would be. Is my fat ass head in the way? So we can cut it right here. And then this will leave long, so we'll cut it somewhere around there. Maybe about 6 inches off. So maybe, let me mark this a little better. I wish I had a tape measure, but I don't. And I wish I had a marker, but I don't. So, working with what I got, guys. Kind of bare bones right now, so it is what it is. So, alright, it's starting to rain, so I'm gonna go ahead and chop my exhaust off and see how it sounds. Pick this up another day. So let's see. Well, it's kind of pouring now, so I might just wait for this until later or tomorrow or something. Man, I really wanted to see how it sounded. Let me get y'all a before clip so that y'all can hear it before I do all this. So let me know what you prefer. That's why I'm trying to save the muffler.
I'm just saying, I just stole your favorite rapper, advance in my pants. I got so much money on me, I didn't hit the money, damn. Pill poppin', ho, perk poppin', ho. Monster saying, suck me, slap it, well, she go slap it, so she'll use no hands.
Alright, I cut off the exhaust. It stopped raining for now. So let me give you a sound check after I cut off the exhaust before I put on the new one. And it's full of straight pipe, full of everything. Let's see. Alright, now I'm gonna just start manipulating the things just to see if I can get it in the right spot. Alright, so I got the new exhaust kind of welded up. It's like halfway there. And then I still gotta do that other side of the hanger. But let's hear it. I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it. I wanna hear it.
Black and white, all of my wrist black and white. My favorite color black and white. For segregation, All of my shit black and white. All of my shit, yeah, biracial. I ain't talking about no mess, I'm about to get this whole face. I cracked the shit on the post from red up. That's right, be my chase. She bend it over, I'm about to tear it up. I'm about to go crazy, yo. These niggas pass crazy, yo. These niggas be acting tough. Glock 45 in the back, yo. I take my gun everywhere I go, I'm never lacking, yo. Put up for a nigga in a Casio. Pack him up. I went outside in the nighttime, cause I'm gonna punch out like Dracula. I'm spectacular. Shoot. I know I'm gon' shoot, but you not. I cannot no fun. Bring that look out, switch on my gun, and a blue dot. And I been out with these drugs, these shit got me too high. Ain't trippin' on her, she fucking a new guy. I ain't trippin' about no women.
All right, let's drop her down and go take her for a little rip and see how she sounds. All right. Sorry if it looks a little blurry, guys. You know, humidity and shit and all that, whatever. Let's see how this thing sounds. I'm gonna roll all the windows down. Cut it. Get to our little picture spot here. Well, guys, you play stupid games, you win stupid prizes. Fuck, bro. Guys, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. So he didn't give me a ticket. He just said don't do no more stupid shit. So cool, whatever. Got away with that shit, bro. I literally just fucking did a burnout right in front of the cop. He really didn't give a fuck. So that's cool. I'll see y'all in the next one, bro.